The resistance band high to low chest fly is a great exercise for developing the lower pecs muscles in your chest. For this exercise, you will need a resistance band with handles that you can secure up high over the top of a door, a squat rack, or another sturdy surface. First, secure your resistance band at a height that's above your head, either over a door, a squat rack, or some other sturdy surface. Now, take the handles in both hands, turn around, and step forward, coming into a staggered stance with one leg forward and one leg back. Extend your arms in front of you with your palms facing each other in front of your hips. The band should extend back behind you over your arms. Now keep your shoulders down and away from your ears and your chest pushed forward throughout this exercise. Now to begin the exercise, keep your elbows stiff as you open your arms out to either side, and then bring them back to the starting position with your hands in front of your hips, engaging the pecs muscles in your chest. Try to avoid bending and extending your elbows, and instead focus the movement solely on your shoulders. Out and back to the front is 1 repetition. Continue for the recommended number of repetitions in your training program.